Hello, we are TURBOKOREA ENS Incorporated. We are a South Korean company specializing in the manufacturing of high-efficiency and noiseless turbo blowers for wastewater treatment facilities. We produce a special turbo blower utilizing patented technology. We have incorporated the following features into our turbo blower: high-efficiency turbo impeller based on fluid dynamics, airfoil bearings that do not require grease or oil, responsive control system for quick reactions, high-efficiency high-speed inverter system, durable direct drive high-speed permanent magnet motor. Our turbo blower is compact in size and has a simple structure, making it easy to install. Additionally, it is user-friendly, making the usage process even easier. We have the capability to freely adjust the air volume and air pressure of our turbo blower. Additionally, it supports various languages of different countries through a touch-screen interface. Our turbo blower can be used in various applications, including sewage treatment facilities, wastewater treatment facilities, sludge treatment facilities, fuel cell power plants, various fermentation processes, incinerators and large boilers, fish farms, aquaculture facilities, plating processes. It can also be used as a substitute for compressors. We are currently seeking overseas partners to collaborate with us in various capacities, such as distributors, dealers, suppliers, contractors, and branch offices. We kindly request your continued interest. Have a great day. Thank you.